Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you affordable foundations that look smooth and give that natural finish on my skin. I know sometimes it seems that it's impossible to find an affordable foundation that will not cling to your dry patches or look cakey on the skin. So let's talk about it. My face is cleansed. I'm just going to do these without any product on here so that you can see how they look on the skin without all the additive. First one I'm going to start off with is super affordable, and this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is a dewy foundation and I have mine in the shade Toffee Pecan, and I think that this is a really nice, flawless, natural finish type of foundation. It does come with this wand. Now, I'm not a fan of the color range, but if you're my shade twin, this is the one that I use and I just make it work. But this foundation is supposed to be like a photo ready type of foundation, like that HD type of look. It is very lightweight on the skin, but flawless once you put it all over the skin. Like, I really like this foundation. It is more of a lightweight type of feel. You don't feel like you have anything on your skin. The longevity of this foundation is really nice. It wears really nicely, especially in those summer months if you want to wear this. And on top of that, she's affordable. Very much so affordable. I've even seen these at Five Below. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Very seamless on the skin, buildable. This is with no makeup on. This is with the Photo Focus. The next one I'm going to talk about is my all-time favorite affordable foundation. And I'm like trying to scrape this up. I think if you saw in my last video, I said I'm not opening that new bottle I have until I get every drop out of here. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This is a really nice foundation. I get so many compliments when I wear this foundation. A little bit goes a long way. She is a little bit thicker than the Wet n Wild. However, it's not a heavy foundation. It doesn't feel cakey. It gives a lot of coverage. I would say that this is more of a medium to full coverage. Definitely buildable. And I have mine in the shade Tan Warm, the number 40. But this is very buildable. If you can see, that's just one layer. If I wanted to go on, I could. This is to be a satin finish on the skin. So it is going to dry down a little bit quickly, but it's not going to be cakey as you wear it throughout the day. I feel like when you prep the skin well with this one, you should get a nice longevity wear out of it. But it feels very nice on the skin. It's not heavy at all. It definitely is going to give a little bit more coverage than the Wet n Wild. It's more of, like I said, that thicker consistency compared to the Wet n Wild. But the e.l.f. is in my top affordable foundations, hands down. That's why I had to mention it. And again, affordability. This next one I'm going to talk about is actually one that I've had in my collection for some time. It is a very good affordable one as well. This is the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear. This does have sunscreen in here of a broad spectrum of 25, and I have mine in the shade 505 here. I do have another shade. I've talked about this on my channel a few times, and I do get a lot of wear out of this foundation. This foundation definitely lasts for a very long time on the face. Very easy to blend out, and the color is also awesome. I have two different colors because my undertone definitely changes in depending on the season, but I just make it work. This is a really nice medium to full coverage as well. It gives that nice natural finish. It gives a nice glow to the skin as well. And the longer you wear this, it does look like you put effort and time into your makeup. This one does claim to be a breathable, buildable coverage, which I do agree with. You are going to get longevity out of this one as well. So it's really about what you want to spend, how long you want to wear your makeup for, the type of look that you're going for. Again, this one I would suggest you wear it like an evening out or a night out, just because of that claim of that up to 24-hour wear. Or if you want to wear it to work and then you're about to go to happy hour or something and you just don't have time to do a full face, this is like one of those ones I would grab because it's already going to do half the work for you with the longevity that it gives on the skin and as the wear. The next one we're going to talk about, I have been talking about this nonstop, and it is a beautiful foundation. I would say that this one is a little bit more coverage than the others that I've mentioned thus far, but this is the Maybelline Plump and Glow Lifter Foundation, and I have mine in the shade 332. And what I like about this, similar packaging, just different colorway, but I do love that this foundation has some skincare benefits in here. It has hyaluronic acid. It is a medium buildable coverage, and it has this really nice glowy finish. Like the longer you wear this foundation, the better it gets. It is a little bit on the thicker consistency coming out the bottle, but she is not thick at all. Not thick at all. Easy to maneuver all over the face. Very lightweight, breathable, and like I said, you can even see as I'm just blending this in, like it's giving like that glow. And that's what I love about this. It gives a really nice glow to the skin. Even when you put powders on, like I said, as you're wearing this throughout the day, it just gets better and better. Such a nice foundation. Like, look at the glow that it gives just off of doing that. I haven't even done anything else. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the skin. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I do want to get another shade in this to see if the undertone would change. Again, this is in the shade 332. So if you're my shade twin, let me know what color you have. If you have the same one or if you have a different one that I should probably try, especially for these warmer months. But this glow, yeah. I love that this one has skincare benefits in here, like hyaluronic acid. It's going to lock in moisture. It also has a 24-hour claim of hydration, and that natural glow that it gives, that glowy finish, it doesn't go away. Even if you put powders and all that on, you're still going to get this glow, and I think it's perfect for dry skin. And last but not least, I feel like this foundation is like slept on. Like nobody really talks about it anymore, but I still love this foundation. It gives a nice full coverage to me because it's a 2-in-1. It's a foundation and a concealer, and I feel like if this is for a night out in the summer, it's definitely lightweight, and it's going to give you that oil-free control. Although you have dry skin, it's not going to look too dry or too matte or too cakey. It's also claimed to be long-wearing, water-resistant, and sweat-proof. So I feel like this is perfect for the summer as well, even though we have dry skin, right? It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And I have mine in the shade Golden Tan, number 10. It does have a pump on this as well. And the claims on here are true. The claims on here are true. This is a really, really nice foundation. It blends out so nicely. Look at that on the skin. And I love this foundation. I love it. This one is one of those ones that I've noticed that the longer that I have it on, the better it gets. The better it gets. Like, look at that. Again, buildable, medium to full coverage, because it's doing that 2-in-1. So this one is also going to like do some type of correcting. If you have discoloration, hyperpigmentation, moles like me, they'll cover up a bit of those, and also any type of acne or anything like that. You don't have to worry about it clinging to any of that. This is still going to give you a nice hydrated look. And like I said, it's giving you the coverage that you need because of the concealer component that's in here. But I love this foundation. And like I said, I don't hear many people talk about it. It's been in my rotation for years. And I just think it's really, really nice to have a foundation like this, especially for a sweat-proof, those hot days in the summer, and just the longevity of it. Like, it's beautiful. And that is all 5 of the foundations that I wanted to share. Let me know if you tried any of these, if you have them in your collection. What are your thoughts down below in the comment section? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.